Thank you very much, Anil. I think your presentation was
Merci
very well
beaucoup
summarizing
de cette intervention qui
the
résume
challenges,
à
and
merveille les
I'll try
défis auxquels nous sommes confrontés.
to come to very practical
Alors,
points
je vais
of
essayer
governance,
d'aborder quelques points vraiment
in the
pratiques
perspective of Copenhagen
en ce qui concerne la gouvernance, dans la perspective de
and the
Copenhague,
topic how to achieve the
et
goals
la
that
question de savoir
Anil
comment
has expressed,
relever les défis
which
qui
is,
viennent
I think, the
d'être
topic of this conference, which is
décrits par Anil.
I think very interesting how to get to the
De nos
results.
préoccupations.
So to
Dans
be
le
very
cadre de
brief,
cette
Lafarge
conférence, je
is
tenterai
a
d'être succinct. Lafarge
leading
donc,
company in building materials producing cement.
grande entreprise mondiale
So we are
de la
high
construction,
energy consumer, we
la
are
production de
high
ciment,
CO2 emitter,
donc
and
nous émettons
at the same time
beaucoup de
we
CO2,
are
nous
providing
consommons beaucoup
with more
d'énergie
and
en même
more
temps.
building materials which
Nous
are good
offrons de
solutions
plus en plus de matériaux de construction
to
qui sont
address
de
the
bonnes
energy
solutions
efficiency
pour
issue in
s'attaquer à ce problème
construction
de
and buildings.
l'énergie,
So
de
we have a
l'efficacité
very high
énergétique dans le domaine de la
environmental
construction.
footprint.
Notre empreinte
From this,
environnementale est assez large.
we get into the
Et
understanding the responsibility
il
we
nous faut
have
dès lors
and
comprendre
try
la
to
responsabilité qui est la
face
nôtre
the challenge and
pour
transform the
relever
challenge
le
into an
défi
opportunity.
et
So
transformer
just
ce
to define the
défi en
context of
possibilité.
the industry or one industry like ours. So the issue is in general for everyone how to access to energy, how to get to high environmental protection everywhere, how to make sure that we get a sustained growth or that we do not kill the growth. And last point, that we do all this while preserving a level playing field. And how to establish a governance in this context is problematic. And I think the expectations of Copenhagen have shown how it is difficult to achieve an overall agreement. So Lafarge is present in 80 different countries and out of these 60 developing countries. And the first thing is that the benefit, and that is the first point of governance. My strong point is that the international companies or the companies should be involved in the process of finding solutions. All the solutions we are developing are universal. It means they apply everywhere in the world. They apply in Kenya, they apply in Bangladesh, they apply in India, they apply in France, and they apply also in China. And the second thing is that when we are doing good things in general, international companies are leading by example. So they are not trying to lead, but in fact it is a result, and good practices are diffused. And I think involving the companies at a very early stage, I think for governments, local or global, can be a very, very good solution to share and implement very quickly good solutions on all the aspects that have been highlighted by Anil, energy efficiency, environment protection, technology, and everything. There is a very specific situation in the cement industry. The cement industry is emitting 5% of total CO2. Why? It's not just an energy consumption, it is a chemical process of producing cement, which is producing this CO2. And there was an initiative started by my predecessor, Bertrand Collomb, with one other leader of the industry. It was 10 years ago, to create under the roof of WBCSD, the World Council for Sustainable Development, a Cement Sustainable Initiative. Cement Sustainable Initiative means several cement companies starting to do something. Starting to do something means first measurement, and I think there is no solution without measurement. Second, starting to understand together the challenges and starting to commit themselves to do things. And last point, auditing the results
assurer un suivi des résultats et veiller à ce que les objectifs réalisables, réalistes,
Altogether,
ces
after 10
objectifs
years,
soient en
this
effet
group
réalisés.
is composed of 23 large cement groups representing all continents, including China, since
sur tous les continents, y
last year.
compris en Chine.
And I'm very
Depuis
pleased
l'année passée,
about that
je me
because I
félicite
was
de
personally
ce
involved.
développement.
Because I was co-chairing the initiative in the last 3 years.
Co-président de l'initiative lors des 3
Altogether,
dernières années.
those companies have saved already
En agissant de
the
concert,
amount of
ces
CO2 of the
sociétés
country
ont
like
réussi à épargner
Switzerland.
un montant de CO2
Which means
équivalent aux
that while
émissions
acting
de la
together,
Suisse, par exemple. Ce qui montre bien que si l'on
a
agit de
sector
concert,
can create a frame in
un
which a
secteur
solution
peut
can be
créer un
found.
cadre
At
propice
least
à
if we
une
could
solution.
find a self-regulation for the cement sector,
Grâce à
which
une
could
forme
be global, and we are not
d'autoréglementation,
very
et
far
on
to be
aspire
able to
à
find
une
it.
telle
We
réglementation qui
have
serait
solved
mondiale.
5%
Et
of
nous
the
avons
problem.
déjà réussi à
And the question is how to get
régler le
those type
problème
of
partiellement
initiatives
grâce à une
included
diminution de
in the
5%.
process of making
Le défi, c'est
things
d'inclure ce
going
type
on
d'initiative
and progressing. And I think
d'autres
Copenhagen,
efforts
the results of Copenhagen are very
entrepris.
well,
Il me semble que les
and the follow-up after
résultats
Copenhagen
de Copenhague
is showing very well that not all
illustre
solutions can
bien
be global,
le fait
like
que
governance
on ne peut pas
is
avoir des
not
solutions
just
mondiales
an
pour
overall
tout
regulation.
problème. La
It
gouvernance
can be sometimes
forcément être
self-regulation,
une
it can
réglementation
be
mondiale, il peut
incentives,
s'agir
it can be
d'autoréglementation, d'incitation.
government saying our wish is to do that. I'm very impressed by the Chinese. For example, they have a plan which is not a law, but the plan is really implemented. And how they do that is extremely interesting. And so there are plenty of things to progress along with the goals that have been defined by Anil. And I'm sure that the role of companies and the role of business feeling the responsibility, being in general, participating into the global compact. So under the roof of the UN that was discussed this morning, can be extremely good partners to progress. So that was my
privilégié pour aller de l'avant et réaliser des progrès.